the fascinating history of Florence Nightingale's house in Lea Hurst. Matlock.com. Florence Nightingale, the legendary nurse and social reformer, was born in 1820 in Florence, Italy. However, she spent most of her life in England. In 1847, she moved to Lea Hurst, Matlock, where she lived until her death in 1910. Lea Hurst, a Grade II listed building, dedicated to Florence Nightingale's life and work. It was here that she developed her passion for nursing and her groundbreaking reforms in healthcare. The house has been meticulously preserved, with many of her personal items and furnishings still on display. So, if you're in the Matlock area, be sure to visit Lea Hurst and step into the world of Florence Nightingale. Thanks for joining me on this historical journey.